guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did a video on my brow, to like how I do my brows on a day-to-day basis. So if you guys would want to watch that video, go to my channel and watch my previous videos. But for this video, we're going to be trying a very exciting product. This is the Urban Decay Back Talk Eye and Face Palette. I believe this baby is $46, and it comes like, this is how the box looks like, and this is how the face, hold on, let me take this mirror off. This mirror comes off. It is so cool. This is the face side. This is the cheek, face side of the palette. This is the eyes for like the eyeshadows. And it of course brings a mirror. Okay, hold on you guys. Okay, so for starters, I'm gonna do my eyes first, just because of the reason that I still haven't done my face yet. So for the first color that we're going to be using, I'm going to take this little mirror off. I'm not going to use it. Actually, should I swatch this? I'm going to show you guys the colors. They're beautiful. This palette was $46. I don't know if I've mentioned this already. And I'm just doing one swipe motion onto my hands. Ooh, this one color looks pretty swatchy, like blotchy. Okay, this is 3 sheets. You can barely see that that's like a setting color. This is Bare, right next door. This is Curve, right here. And this was Back Talk. You can barely see these, like I barely swatched them on, like put some on my hands. Let me take this off my hand. And let me go in with the other shades. Okay, this is a better swatch, you guys. So this color is Shade. This one right here. This is Shade. This is Attitude. This is a beautiful copper color. This is WTF. And the very, very last one is 180. It is beautiful. Now I'm going to take that off my hand as well. And I already have my eyes primed. So I'm going to go in with Back Talk. Yeah, let's go into Back Talk. And I'm just going to take this on a Morphe 330 brush. And I'm just going to swipe this all over my brow. I'm sorry, all over my eyelid. So Back Talk is a beautiful color. It took a while to build up, but I mean, I don't know what to say. So the next color we're going to go in with is WTF, and it is this color right here. Right here. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe Y17. And I'm just going to pack it on, kind of. Pack this on my brush and just kind of focus it on the outer part. On the outer part right there. And I'm going to go in with the actually, should we use... Let's try to clean some of the color off. And I'm going to go in and kind of blend this in. Actually these colors are blending out pretty nicely. I remember my first high-end eyeshadow palette was the Naked 3 maybe. Actually, do I still have that palette? My first high-end eyeshadow palette was a Makeup Forever Naked 3. I still have it. I love that eyeshadow palette. I don't really use it as much anymore, but I have it for like memory purposes. Like I remember, my fiance gave it to me for Christmas. I think 2014 or 2015, either one of those years. So now that I have that color on there, I'm going to take a kind of like a packing brush. It's a Y18 brush, and I'm going to go in with, let's go in with Curve. Let's see how well it's going to pick up on this brush. And I'm going to put this in the center and inner corner. Okay, I think that it could work better with my finger. So I'm going to go in with my finger real quick. Okay, so that has made a difference. Now I'm going to go with that one color, WTF, again, lightly onto my, I'm going to lightly, you know, go in, and I'm going to blend this color out, these edges. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with one more shade. I'm going to go in with shade 180. It throws out a lot of, it has a lot of fallout. 180 is the very last shimmery shade. And this one right here, the darkest one. I don't know how this is going to look, so we're kind of winging it here. And I'm going to take some more of WTF on my brush, and I'm just going to go just a tiny little bit more up with that color. Okay, so for now, this is what I'm going to do for my top lid. I'm going to do my other eye off of camera just to save time, and I will be right back. So, hey guys, so I'm at the point of my makeup where I can start putting on my highlights and my blush. So for highlights, I'm thinking about mixing the both highlight shades, Low Key and Party Foul. But I'm going to swatch it real quick on my hands just for you guys. Okay, so this right here is Cheap Shot. This right here is Double Take. This right here is Low Key. You can barely see that, by the way. I know. And this one is Party Foul. Actually, I'm just going to go in just with one shade. I'm going to go in with Party Foul. That shade just looks beautiful. And I'm just going to take it on my Morphe Y11. And I'm just going to, this is a highlight blush, so I'm just going to pack it on like this. Like, I'm just going to go into it, you know, and just barely, like, you know, and I'm going to go into the places where I highlight. I'm going to go in some more. Now I'm going to go in with Double Take, which is this shade right here. And I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to pack it on. Ooh, it does pick up product. That's good. Ooh, this is a very pretty pink. Wow, that actually looks gorgeous. I'm actually pretty impressed. That looks beautiful. So, yeah, that looks really nice. Overall, I have to give this palette a really good, like, I have to give it a 10 out of 10. Actually, let's just finish up real quick. Let's smoke out a little bit under my under eye. And I'm going to go with a Tarte brush, and I'm going to take the shade WTF on it. And I'm gonna smoke my outer lid, my lower lid, sorry. And of course I'm gonna add mascara onto my lower lids. My lower eyelashes, just so you know, finish it up. And I'm gonna grab a small little detailed brush, if I can find it. I'm gonna grab a small little detailed brush, and I'm gonna take Bare, dip it in, you know, I'm gonna dip it in real good. And I'm gonna go in my inner corner, and I'm gonna really pack this on. Okay, well, it seems like it's not really, you know, giving much color. Okay. I always feel that, like, if I do a mistake in one eye, or like on one side, I have to do it on the other side. That's just me. So obviously that didn't really work out as well. So I'm going to take one of the highlight shades, and I'm going to go in with Party Foul. I'm going to take it on my brush and dip it in real good. Well, that's more payoff. Okay. Well, that looks pretty. Wow, yeah, I definitely really like this palette. It has a 3-in-1. You know, it has eyeshadow, it has blush, and it has a gorgeous highlight, which I'm loving right now. So overall, I'm going to give this palette a 10 out of 10. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click that like button down below as well. I'm going to hop on over and do one more look, because I'm going to put on lipstick, and I have these new lipsticks that I'm dying to try out. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.